this unusually large map. You're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
We got stopped.
Centurion America here. We're having a little bit of trouble with our ship's airlock, and it appears we need to open it manually. Now, no one has ever had to do that before, and to be perfectly honest, we don't know where the instructions are on how to open it. We're looking everywhere, and we do appreciate your patience. Please, remain seated. We will have this solved. Oh, we got it! You're good to go! Let's do this!
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
You gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
We got the generator.
Milk gives me gas. Of course it is about time. Paying attention? Ability, bring your star blasters. You haven't complained, but not for long.
Yeah, super smooth.
You're all heroes. You really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.